Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create or update Keep contact from LinkedIn lead gen forms leads. So let's suppose I am running an online business and my sales team is receiving all the leads with the help of LinkedIn. Now I want that whenever I receive a new lead, it should be automatically created as a contact in my Keep account. Now doing this manually will be a very tedious and a time consuming task, so I'm completely going to automate this process, and to do this automation I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between LinkedIn lead gen forms and Keep. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I will receive new leads from my LinkedIn, a contact will be automatically created in my Keep account. Now if you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create contact in Keep for LinkedIn lead gen ads leads. For this, we are going to create automation between LinkedIn ads and Keep with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect/inr/ in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow button, and first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to create or update Keep contact from LinkedIn lead gen forms leads, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I am going to select this LinkedIn automations and then click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to create an update, Keep contact from LinkedIn lead gen forms leads, which means whenever I will receive new lead in my LinkedIn, a contact will be automatically created in my Keep account, which means whenever I will receive leads from my LinkedIn, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So when I receive new lead from my LinkedIn lead gen form and an action says do this, then I want to create contact in Keep account. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take LinkedIn lead gen forms, and in my trigger event, I am going to take this new lead gen forms response. Now I am going to click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and then click on this connect with LinkedIn lead gen forms. And here authorization successful. So LinkedIn lead gen forms is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to select the account and the lead form. So to get this, I'm going to open my LinkedIn account. So this is my LinkedIn account. The name of this page is Pabbly's ad account. So I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect, and then from this drop down, select my account as Pabbly's ad account. And then I have to select the lead form. So here I am going to use this lead form. I have selected that. Now as this is a polling based application, I will receive the response in 10 minutes. So first I am going to do a form submission, and then I am going to click on the save and send test request. Now if I receive the response, this means this connection setup is working fine. For that I am going to open my LinkedIn account, and here I have created a test campaign. So here I am going to open this and then click on this apply now. Now here I need to enter the email address and the phone number, and as I am running a test campaign, the rest of the details remain same. So here if you are running a live campaign, you will get to see all the details. As this is a test campaign, I just get to fill the email address and the phone number. So I'm going to enter the dummy email address and the phone number. So let's say the email address is new321@pabblytudes.com, and this is the phone number. Now I'm going to click on this submit. And here I have done the form submission. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and then click on the Save and Send Test Request button. And here I can see that I have received the response. The email address that we entered was new321@pabblitudes.com and the phone number is this. Now here I have received the first name as Pabbly and the last name as Subscription Billing Management Service. Now as soon as I've done the form submission, I have received that response here, and now I'll be able to capture the new response in every 10 minutes. You can also set your trigger timing by going to this 3 dots and then click on this and set trigger time. In this drop down, I can find all the trigger time. I simply want to select this as check every 10 minutes. So I'm going to select this and then click on this save. Now as soon as I received the response, this means the connection setup is working fine between LinkedIn Lead Gen Forms and Pabbly Connect. And now moving on to the next step, whenever I receive lead in my LinkedIn Lead Gen Forms, I want to create Keep Contact. So then in my action application, I'm going to take Keep. And then in my action event, as I want to create an update contact, I've selected that and then click on this connect. If you have an existing connection, click on this save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and then click on this connect with Infusionsoft by Keep. Now here I have already logged in my Keep account, and that's why I just need to grant away some permissions, for which I'm going to click on this allow. Because my data is completely saved with Pabbly Connect and authorization successful. So Keep is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is I have to enter the email address. Now I'm not going to enter this manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. Now I have received the response from my LinkedIn Lead Gen Forms, and when I click on this, I can see this LinkedIn Lead Gen Forms, and when I open this, I can see all the response that I've received from there. Now the email address that we have received as the response is new321@pabblitudes.com. So I have entered that. Now in the email opt-in, I want to select this as no, and I'm going to skip this lead source ID as this is not a required field. Now how to check for duplicates, I want to select this as email, and then I'm going to skip this opt-in reason. If you want to enter this, you can enter following this help test given below. Now I need to enter the first name, so I'm going to follow the same process of mapping and enter my first name as Pabbly, which I've received in my response, and then the last name as Subscription Billing Management Service. Now in the job title, as this is not a required field, I am going to skip this and the company ID also. Now I have not received response for any of these fields, so for now I am going to skip this. If you have received the response, you can enter following the same process of mapping. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now here I have also received the response for the phone number. So this was the phone number. I have entered that, and then after entering all these details, I simply have to scroll down and then click on the Save and Send Test Request button. Now here I can see that I have received the response, and this response is a positive one. Now I am going to open my Keep account, and this is the app dashboard of Keep. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, here I am going to click on this contacts, and then I can see that Pabbly Subscription Billing Management has been created as a contact. The email address that we entered was new321@pabblitudes.com and the phone number was this. So now to summarize, we took LinkedIn Lead Gen Forms as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered the account and the lead form, submitted a form and received that response here in this workflow. Then I moved to the next step where I want to create a contact. So I took Infusionsoft by Keep as my action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect and entered all these details with the help of a method called mapping. Simply clicked on the Save and Send Test Request button and received the response as this contact been created in my Keep account. So this is how this automation workflow will run, and here we have successfully created automation between LinkedIn Lead Gen Forms and Infusionsoft by Keep with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.